there. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. May, and in this video, we're going to be looking at a quadratic graph. Now, I love to use the free online graphing calculator that is available at Desmos. So if you just Google desmos.com, Desmos graphing calculator. Also, I've linked it down below for you. I love to use this tool because it provides us with a great visual. So I'm just going to type this equation in there, y equals negative x to the second plus 4. So I can take a look at the graph. Now, what I want to do then is to answer some of these questions that we have pertaining to this graph. So we're asking, first of all, for the domain. And that domain would be all real numbers because there's no x that I can't put in here. So there's a couple of different ways that we can say all real numbers. We can literally say it in words. We could also put it in interval notation, which would be negative infinity to positive infinity. It looks something like that. Let's take a look next at the range. Notice that the y values go all the way up to the y-axis of 4. So I know that my range is less than or equal to 4. So I can write that as y is less than or equal to 4. Or if I want to write it in interval notation, I could say negative infinity to positive 4. Be sure that that 4 is included. Let's look at intercepts next. So on my x-intercept, you can see that I touch the x-axis here and here. It looks like I touch it at 2 and negative 2. And then, of course, the y-intercept I touch at 4. So my x-intercepts are at x equals 2 and negative 2. And my y-intercept is at y equals 4. All right, 2 more pieces of information we want to be able to read from the graph there. We want to look for f of negative 3. So that means when x is negative 3, what is y? So find the point on this graph when x is negative 3. 1, 2, 3 this way. And it looks like my y value is negative 5. Notice I read that on the graph because there is a point at negative 3, negative 5. Let's do one more like that. Let's read the point f of 1, or the value f of 1. So that's saying when x is 1, what is y? So when x is 1, I'm at this point right there. There's a point 1, 3. So my answer f of 1 would have to be 3 because I found the point 1, 3. Now, friends, I hope this helps you with quadratic graphs. I want you to notice I read all of this information from the graph. Be sure and click on the link in the description for the link to the free Desmos graphing calculator. I hope this helps. Bye for now.